Have you ever wondered how people make money from their YouTube videos? Or maybe you know how they make money, but you wonder how it's possible for this to happen to you. Or how can you create videos that are also gonna give you a little bit of extra income? Well, in this video, I'm gonna break down for you the rules of YouTube monetization and how you can create a revenue stream from YouTube no matter how many subscribers you have. Now, before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on more videos on this channel. Also, if you're looking to learn how to create a lead generation system with YouTube, make sure to click the link below this video to sign up for my free masterclass. Now, to get monetized on YouTube, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, the thing to remember here is that this number is continual, meaning that if you hit 4,000 hours of watch time and you have 1,000 subscribers one year, and then the next year you don't hit that minimum, your monetization in the YouTube Partner Program is going to go away. This number is continual and it needs to be kept up for you to remain in this program. There are a couple other things that you're going to need to do as well. So you're gonna need to apply to the program once you've reached that 4,000 hours of watch time and that 1,000 subscribers. You're also gonna need to make sure that all of your videos meet the YouTube's terms and conditions, and you're also going to have to sign up for an AdSense account. So those are the main things that all need to happen for you to join the YouTube Partner Program. Once you fill out those things, YouTube is going to review your account and let you know that you have been approved to join the YouTube Partner Program and start monetizing your videos. Now, if you want to learn all of the ins and outs of these terms and conditions, I will put a link below this video to the YouTube terms and conditions site so you can see exactly how the YouTube Partner Program works and everything that goes into it. So once you've met those criteria, how exactly do you get paid? Well, the biggest way to make money on YouTube, or the most common way to make money on YouTube, is through ad revenue. So advertisers actually pay YouTube to be able to have their advertisements on different videos, including yours if you're part of the program. Now, you can have these advertisements either play at the beginning, the end, or throughout your entire video. Now, you are only going to receive a portion of this ad revenue. Some of the revenue is going to go to YouTube because they are giving you this platform for free, so it's only fair they take part of your commission. But how do you know how much you get paid per video, or how do you know how much money you're going to make from your YouTube videos? Well, there are a lot of different factors that go into how much money you make as a creator, but let's go over the baseline of kind of where you can start. So roughly, for every 1,000 views on your video, once you're in the program, you make about $2. Okay, so this is a very good baseline to kind of start to understand how the ad revenue starts to build. Now, like I said, monetization on YouTube can vary a lot, and there's a lot of different factors that go into it. Some of the top creators on YouTube are making upwards of $5 for every 1,000 views. YouTube determines how much money you're going to make on quite a few factors, like your niche, where you live, your audience, your engagement, the topic that your content is around, how much advertisers will actually pay to put their advertisements on your videos. All of these different things make up your CPM. So obviously, the better your content is and the more narrowed down your niche is, the more money you're going to make from your YouTube videos. And that's why narrowing down your niche is so important, because the more narrowed your niche is, the easier it is going to be for YouTube to apply certain advertisements to your videos to hit the proper audience, driving up the price of your CPM. And there are different niches that make more money versus others, so keep that in mind as well. Now, you might be thinking, what the heck is a CPM? And that's totally fine. CPM stands for cost per million, and million on YouTube stands for 1,000. Why? Don't ask me. I think they do it just to confuse you. But just remember, CPM means cost per million, but it's actually 1,000 on YouTube, hence where that 1,000 views comes from. So the average CPM is around $2, but like I said before, it can vary anywhere from $1 all the way up to $5. The other metric that you need to take into consideration is your RPM, and this is your revenue per million or per 1,000, right? And this basically means the amount of money that YouTube is going to pay you after they take their cut out. So this is the amount of money that's going into your pocket every single month from ad revenue. So now that you know how monetization works on YouTube, let me know in the comments below. Is your channel monetized yet? And if not, how long do you think it's gonna take you before you get monetized? I'd love to know, so let me know in the comments. But what if you're sitting there as a new YouTuber and you don't have 1,000 subscribers and you don't have 4,000 hours of watch time, but you still want to monetize your YouTube? You still wanna make this profitable for you. What can you do? How else can you make money on YouTube? Well, you're in luck because I have 2 different ways that I teach my clients and that I do for myself. The first way is through affiliate links. So think about all the different programs, products, services that you use in your business that you love that you could recommend to your audience. So for myself, that's things like Canva, things like Later, things like ActiveCampaign. These are all programs and services that I personally use in my business and I love. So because of that, I became an affiliate for these programs. And when I talk about them on my videos or talk about them in my programs, I can actually provide my link to you guys as audience members. And when you purchase through my link, I get a little bit of a cut from that revenue. So this is a really great way. It's almost like saying thank you for the content that I've provided for you, giving you a recommendation of something. No matter what your niche, there are probably affiliates out there that you could partner with. So check out all of the different products and the programs that you use in your business and see if they have affiliate programs and start to wind that into your content creation to see if you could make a little bit of extra money from that kind of revenue stream. The second way is through a sales funnel. And if you're not too familiar with the term sales funnel or what a sales funnel is, no worries. I have another video here on this channel that explains to you exactly what a sales funnel is and how you can start one for yourself. So make sure to link that in the YouTube cards above here for you. But this is one of my favorite ways for you to start monetizing your YouTube channel, even if you have a small subscriber count. Basically, it means that you create a lead generation system, a way for viewers to become clients just by watching your YouTube videos and by creating landing pages and links in the description below your videos. If you want to learn exactly how I do this for myself and for my clients, make sure to save your seat for my free masterclass by clicking the link below this video. Inside, you're going to learn my video lead machine method, which is the exact method that I teach inside my program and that shows you how to do this all the way from creating your video and your strategy all the way to execution. Now, do you have any other monetization questions for me? Let me know in the comments below and I'd be happy to answer them for you. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos here on this channel. Bye.